I'm going to demonstrate how to graph the line through the points negative 1, 3. And we're going to graph another line this line will be parallel to the linear equation x equals 5y, x minus 5y equals negative 5. So let's look at our steps. Step 1, we already switched the equation into y equals. If you see how I've demonstrated it to the left. Step 2, we are just to graph this by counting. So let's look and see what is our y-intercept. It is right on the 1 on the y-axis. So our slope is a positive 1 over 5. So if it's positive, we go up in a positive direction 1 and over in a positive direction 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if we want to get another point over here, let's just go down, go in a negative direction 1, and into the negative direction 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, since we know that two negatives will graph a positive. So let's go ahead and connect these lines here. Connect these points, rather, to form a line. Okay, I didn't start it exactly far enough up. Okay, and so this is our first line. So what we need to do is to find the points negative 1, 3. So we look for the points negative 1, 3. So we go over, negative 1 is the x, and up 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we graph that point. Now what we want to do, we want to graph another line that will be parallel to this line. That means that they will not intersect, but it will be exactly a parallel line. So we know parallel lines have the same slope. So we will use our same slope as m equals 1/5. So our slope is 1 over 5. So if we go down, that means we're going to use the blue. If we go down 1, that means we need to go over 5 in the down to the left, because we needed two negatives make a positive. So you go down and to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we happen to have to go up, we go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we can connect those two dots, and we find this line is exactly parallel to the second line. So what we learned is that parallel lines, if you graph a line that's parallel to the original line, they will have the same slope. If you were to graph a line that was perpendicular to the original line, the slope would be its opposite reciprocal.